What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to show you the FMS aka ROC hobbies, a new cars. It's called the People's Cars. Now let's unbox it. Now here is manuals. Now the prototype is Volkswagen Beetles. Now this is the third chassis of the Beetles. Look at it. Wow. The transmitters, small transmitters. Now this is the bumpers. I think maybe the rear bumpers. Oh, sorry. It's front bumpers. Chargers and range. That's all. Now look at these small cars. First, I will push all the stickers here. Oh my gosh. That's all the stickers. Now let's look at this, the Volkswagen Beetles. Look at these shiny chrome wheels. Rear. This is engines, just the same like the former ones. And let's open the hood. The back tires, batteries and ESCs are all the same. And even the opens of the left and right doors. Now these seats are soft. So the Beetles is just the same as the former ones, and just change some colors like the wheels and from the bumpers. Nothing new from the former ones. And also here you can see the portals, independent suspensions, all the same. Nothing new.